Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of Bali and I hope you guys enjoy. So here we were heading to meet our instructor who was teaching us how to make the Balinese offerings called chanang saris.
Okay, so first, maybe I will introduce myself again. My name is Aldi. Yeah. And then today the class is for making offering. Do you know offering?
Yeah.
Right? The offering also, I think when you walk you can see that. Huh?
Yeah.
So in Bali, the offering we call that name chanang sari.
Okay.
Yeah, we always offer this chanang sari to the god every morning, every afternoon. So this is we used to say thanks to the God. Yeah, for everything that we have in this world. That this is how do we in Bali we use that to offer that. We will use the coconut leaf. Yeah, so for the make the ring. That one. So this is so the way coconut tree is very useful.
Yeah.
So I think all of the part is like you can. Do you know what our hotel name? That's New Bali. New. Do you know what is?
Is that coconut?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
so
right.
cool.
Yeah, this was Balinese name.
Okay.
So New. So we the owner used that name because he want the stuff all of part of New Bali you can use for all of our
that's cool.
That was the meaning.
I could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed. There's too much in my head. I could be more faithful, but I fail at that habit. So I run around instead. I wanna be good to myself, love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen at my best, sleep more, be nice a lot less. All I need is 21.
These were the finished products and to be honest, this was one of my favorite activities that we have ever done in Bali or just anywhere else because we learned so much about the culture within just half an hour's time. And it was just awesome and I wish I could do it again. Next, we went to the Champuhan Ridge Walk. We were scouting out locations because we had booked a photo shoot for this trip because what better way to get photos than to get someone to professionally shoot it for you. So we booked through Sweet Escape and it was honestly such a fun experience. Like we laughed so hard and I feel like our pictures came out pretty well. Just one thing to mention, if you guys do visit, make sure you are bringing a bottle of water or two, a towel, and definitely walking shoes because the hike was not easy at all. Without a doubt, this has to be one of my favorite places that we've ever visited because it was so breathtaking. I mean, to be surrounded by all these greens and not see a single skyscraper, it was just refreshing. So after this hike, we returned to the restaurant we had lunch in called Bridges.
I would like that, but I want something back. I looked at myself and it looks like I jumped in over there.
It was honestly so hot that my husband's shirt was all soaked. You'll see in a second, but the restaurants in Bali usually don't have air conditioning at all. It's usually all outdoors too, which is great. I mean, different experience. We were sweating so much. But yeah, this was funny. I mean, he looked like he wet himself. So to cool off, we ordered 2 mango mojitos, which were some of the best mojitos we've ever had. The cool thing about the restaurants and places in Bali are that they are very eco-friendly. They use bamboo straws or stainless steel straws, which makes a huge difference. So the following day we had a cooking class. I think we booked it through either Klook or Airbnb as well. And so we had a tour of a local market, which was just crazy. Like, you saw so many exotic fruits that you can't get in New York. And it was just a fun experience. We got to try some fruits and some, Balinese traditional snacks. The actual farm that we're going to be cooking on, we were able to pick our own ingredients, which were the veggies, and it was just crazy. It was a crazy experience. This is definitely goals and inspires me to have a garden of my own someday in the future, hopefully.
I think about you all the time now. I guess that you never feel the same. I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know, you don't want me sometimes. So I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like me, yeah. But you're always ignoring them, yeah. But you're always ignoring them.
And with that brings us to the end of our Bali trip. I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. Editing this definitely brought me back to Bali for the time being. We're all in quarantine, and I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. And if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please do not hesitate to leave them down below. Bye, you guys.